How to get a discount on Grabfood. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a discount on Grabfood. First, open the Grabfood application on your mobile device. After that, search the restaurant from where you want to get food. In the suggestions, you will see some of the most famous and recommended restaurants. Once you're done, select the food you want to order. Grabfood offers some of the most famous deals from where you can get discounts. It is recommended to select food items from the deal section so you can avail discounts on them. Once you have selected your food, customize it by adding drink inside items to it. Then add it to your basket. Once done, tap on the basket option at the bottom. Now first, you need to set your delivery address after that. Scroll down and tap on Use Offers to get a discount here. You will see the option to use Grab Gift. Tap on it and you can redeem your gift code to get a discount. Apart from that, there are 3 other options. The first one is 23% off with group orders. Hungry Deals 15% off and RM went off. These are different offers that Grabfood offers to give you discounts. Go ahead and use any of them and you'll be able to get a discount on Grabfood. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.